Hey, how's it going? Welcome to my channel. My name's Eric, and today I'm going to be showing you how to find stocks when we'll try to find some stocks as you know when the market's kind of going down. If you can find some little nuggets there using the screener, what settings to use, and then real quickly I'll show you a very advanced all-in-one indicator, but I'll show you how to get through it pretty easily, and I'll do it in a short time here. So let's get going. As always, if you find anything useful, go ahead, do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button. So we're using TradingView, and it's the free version, and let's go into screeners. This is the front page that you'll get if you click on TradingView, and I'm going to simply go on to products here. I'll screen over here, and this is the screener, and we just go up to the top here and we click on stocks. So once this comes up, as you see, it gives you 14,000. You just click on this plus sign, and I'm going to type in MACD, and we're just going to go with that one first. Once we get here, we'll click add filter. Once we click add filter, you want to click on it again to make some changes, and we'll put level crosses up. And we're down to 325. Yay. So click add. We'll want to add some more here. And I'm going to do SMAs. Simple moving average. And I'm going to go down. And I'll go all the way down to 200. We'll add that. We need to click back on what we just did. And below price. We're down. We cut it in half there. Click and we'll add another one. We'll do an SMA again, and let's go with 9 nines, and we'll add that. We'll click back on SMA, and we will do below price 0 to 10%. And if you want, you can adjust that also to 0 to 3. I won't do that now. And we'll click on here. We'll go to market data, average volume, 30 days. We'll add this filter. And of course, as always, we're going to have to go back and click on this into a manual setup because it doesn't have any number. And I will just go with 500,000, or you could do 1 million. Sometimes I'll do 1 million if I get way too many. But as you can see, stock market's kind of down today, and we've got 9. So let's see how it works out. Let's see how the top one is here. We click on this one. Let's go. You can click on super charts. Let's see how we did here. And we're looking pretty good. If you saw my video yesterday, and it says go long. So it did find one. I'll show you how I came up with this. I'll get off of this real quick. We'll remove. I got Stoche RSI because it's an extra one, but I would click off of that one, and you would be just left with this. I just simply go to indicators and DIY, and it says custom strategy ZP. Just simply click on this one. It's going to pop up. You're going to get a whole bunch of stuff, and I'm going to make it simpler. It has the long and everything, and this is nice stuff, but I want to make it simpler, so I would go to settings, and you're just going to simply go down here to main indicator range F, and you can go down if you'd like it. Just change it to MACD. And once you do that, you can go down, and we're going to click off of these supply zones. We're just going to click off all these, and then we're just going to click on EMA. Then we'll go further down where you can change the lines here. I will change this to an SMA 9. I'm going to change this to an SMA. Actually, let's do an EMA. Let's do an EMA 20. There we go. They switch the colors around here. You can do whatever you want. You can see how quick I do them. And I'm just going to check these to SMA, just because I prefer smoothing averages. You can do what you want. And then we'll just hit OK. Here we go. We're kind of set up. Looking pretty good here. And so this is a pretty good setup. And so then you can add, since I already am following the MACD, I really don't need to have the MACD down here. I can get something extra. You can go to Stoch, MRI, if you want. You would just type that in Stoch and it will come up with, there's this one, or you can do the regular one. I like Stoch RSI. Click that one. That one's crossing. Looks like this may be an uptrend and may be a possible long position to get in. Of course, this is all not financial advice on this channel. This is all for educational purposes. Please paper trade everything you get on the internet just to see how it plays out. So, yep, just a nice short, sweet video to show you this. More videos to come. As always, I hope you have a great day. And if you found any of this useful, do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button. And other than that, I will see you on the next video.